We do have team coverage this morning on the snowfall. Christine Gregory and Erica Cost both live out in the elements in Rochester.
Let's start with Christine, who is out on the roadways. Christine, where are you now?
Good morning, Mark. Yeah, we're just heading on 490 right now, heading towards Rochester. The roads, again, still very much covered in snow. It's very, very tough to see the lines right now. Just moments ago, I saw not just one car kind of off the road there with the state police kind of helping out there, but we actually saw two cars. So definitely lots of sliding and slipping. The roads are slick and icy. So again, we can't stress enough just how much it's important to take it slow on the roadways. Again, it's difficult to see just where the lines are. Make sure you're not tailgating. It's very easy, to brake very quickly, and sometimes you just kind of keep sliding off into the road. So that's where your biggest problems lie. Again, we were seeing some heavier snow more north of Rochester, kind of getting in more on some light snowflakes right now, but still dropping visibility just a touch. Again, factoring in the icy road conditions. Definitely a kind of a messier start to the morning with this winter storm that we're tracking. We'll continue to keep you up to date with the latest conditions as we continue through the morning hours. For now, we'll send it right back to you guys.
All right, Christine, thank you. And certainly more cars on the road at this hour over the last couple of hours as well. So as Christine said, make sure you're not tailgating out there. Our team coverage continuing with Erica Cost now, who is live in the city. Erica, the last time we checked in with you, the snow had kind of picked up a bit. What are conditions like now?
Well, Mark, it's really windy where I am, a lot more windier than where we were earlier, way up by the museum. Right now we're by the Liberty Pole, so definitely noisier too. Lots of plows out here, plows of different sizes on the sidewalk, on the main roads. More traffic starting to build up, but not as bad, not as much traffic as a normal weekday. So if you are one of those people heading out on the roads, make sure you're keeping in mind the visibility, as the snow, as I did mention, is picking up. A lot of main roads like East Ave, University, Culver, very snow covered, but going to look a lot better than those side streets in those neighborhoods, Park Ave area. This is very wet snow, wintry mix, as our meteorologists are referring. That could mean icy layers. So make sure you have control of your speed, going well under the speed limit, so you have time to prepare and react for anything that could happen. As I did mention, lots of plows out. We did catch up with one driver who has been doing this for 30 years. He's independent, contracts with the city. Here's what he had to say about this morning.
Yeah, there's a little ice underneath. Watch the bridges and overpasses. That's about it. Side streets aren't too bad. Main roads aren't too bad. There's no dirt underneath them. There's no foundation under them, so the cold air gets under them and it freezes them.
Now, that was coming up to around 40 minutes ago, maybe, so keep in mind that things could have changed since then. But as he did mention, those bridges and underpasses, going to want to be extra careful there for any slippery conditions. So I'll send it back to you for now.
All right, Erica, thank you for the live update. Certainly temperatures conducive to icing, no doubt about that.